Hey Lyra Tech fam! Today we're diving into the KOTIN Prebuilt Gaming PC, a machine packed with the latest components like the RTX 5070 and Ryzen 790-700X. This tower is clearly designed for serious gamers looking for top-tier performance right out of the box. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's kick things off by looking at the raw power inside this KOTIN machine. The RTX 5070 12GB GDDR5 graphics card and Ryzen 790-700X CPU create a powerful combination designed to handle demanding. With 32 GB of 6000 MHz DDR5 memory and a 1TB PCIe 4. The 360mm AIO liquid cooling system is an outstanding choice, ensuring the Ryzen 7 CPU stays cool even under heavy. While all the key components are detailed, the specific performance benchmarks for the new RTX 5070 graphics card are not. Overall, the KOTIN PC packs some serious heat with its internal components, promising a top-tier gaming. Moving past the raw numbers, let's explore the KOTIN PC's design choices and additional. The built-in 11.3-inch secondary display is a fantastic feature, providing real-time CPU and GPU temperatures and usage at a glance. An 850 watts 80+ gold certified power supply offers stable and efficient power, complemented by cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 for fast. This PC arrives fully assembled and tested with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, meaning you can get it set up. At its premium price point, this KOTIN PC offers a powerful component set and unique features, providing good value. The KOTIN PC stands out with its innovative features, robust power delivery, and excellent user convenience. The KOTIN Prebuilt Gaming PC is a compelling option for high-end gamers who want exceptional performance for 1440p and 4K gaming. With its powerful CPU, a new RTX 5070 GPU, and excellent cooling, this system is built to handle modern titles and demanding creative work with ease.